What's up, everybody? Ben Barredo here with Coldwell Banker and all things Knoxville, and I wanted to show you a very unique house for sale here in Oak Ridge, Tennessee. I'm sitting at 101 Mason Lane in Oak Ridge. This is a $450,000 house that offers 6 bedrooms, 4 full baths, 1 half bath, 11 rooms total on 1.5 acres of land. It's listed by my buddy Michael Pappas over at Coldwell Banker as well. And I'm going to be doing an open house here on Sunday from 2 to 4. And I'd love for you guys to come check it out. But in the meantime, you can check out this video walkthrough that I'm going to do of the house. This house is super unique. A ton of rooms in here, ton of space to push your family into and make it your own home. I hope you enjoy the video. This is real quick, an all brick house. A lot of the rooms are on one level. There is a small kind of a basement area that can be used as a living space with its own kitchenette and access to go in and out without having to go through the house. And then there's a extra bedroom loft, a bedroom, bonus room, whatever you want to call it, with a ton of storage space, a large walk-in closet, and a full bathroom. So let's check this house out. It was built in 1958. Let's check it out. there you have it. That's 101 Mason Lane in Oak Ridge, Tennessee. Again, I'm going to be having an open house here this Sunday from 2 to 4, and I hope I see you here. It's a great opportunity to buy a house that could add so much value in your life. I hope I see you here this Sunday. We'll talk to you soon.